Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to turn on and off the substitutes on eFootball 2024. So let's get started. At first, make sure you are logged into eFootball 2024. Now in home, let's click on game plan here. Now click on this logo of the team over here. Now simply click on automatic match support over here, and we can see this option called substitution. So let's tap on this, and here we can see it is turned off right now. To turn this on, you can choose any of this. Very late means it might be around at 80 minutes, and flexible can be different time. And if you click on very early, it can be around 40-45 minutes. So this is all we can do to turn on and off the substitution on eFootball 2024. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.